Sir, please pull over to the side of the road.
Officer, is there a problem?
Yes, sir. You were driving erratically. Can I see your driver's license and vehicle registration, please?
Here you go, officer.
Thank you. Sir, have you been drinking tonight?
Well, I only had a couple of drinks, officer. I'm fine.
A couple of drinks? Sir, I can smell alcohol on your breath. Drinking and driving is dangerous.
But I'm okay to drive. I know my limits.
Sir, alcohol affects your ability to drive safely. Let me conduct a breathalyzer test to check your alcohol level.
Officer, is that really necessary? I promise I can drive safely.
It is absolutely necessary, sir. Drunk driving is a serious offense, and I need to ensure that you are fit to be on the road. Please blow into this device steadily for a few seconds.
There, done.
Sir, your blood alcohol level is over the legal limit. This means you are driving under the influence of alcohol.
Oh no. I didn't think it was that much.
That's the problem. Many drivers underestimate how much they have had. Drinking impairs judgment, reaction time, and coordination.
But I was just heading home. I wasn't going too far.
That doesn't matter, sir. An accident can happen even if you're only driving a short distance. Drunk driving is one of the leading causes of road accidents.
I really didn't mean to do anything wrong. I thought I was being careful.
Being careful while impaired is not enough. You need to be completely sober when driving. A slight delay in reaction time could mean the difference between life and death. Sir, do you know what could happen if you drive under the influence?
I guess I could get a fine.
Yes, but it's more serious than that. You could lose your license, go to jail, or worse, you could cause a fatal accident.
I didn't think about that.
Imagine if someone's family member got hurt or killed because of a drunk driver. How would you feel if you were responsible for that?
That would be terrible.
Exactly. Driving is a responsibility, not just a privilege. You must always be in full control of your vehicle.
I see what you're saying, officer. But sometimes, after a long day, people just want to relax and have a few drinks.
I understand that. But if you plan on drinking, you should also plan how to get home safely. Use a taxi, rideshare service, or have a designated driver.
I guess I never really considered all the options.
That's why we enforce these laws, to keep everyone safe. The best choice is always to avoid drinking if you plan to drive. Do you realize that apart from legal consequences, drunk driving can also affect your personal and professional life?
What do you mean, officer?
A DUI. Driving under the influence. Charge can remain on your record for years. If your job requires driving, you could lose your employment.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Employers check criminal records, and a DUI can make it harder to get a job in the future.
That's serious.
Yes, and if your insurance company finds out, your car insurance rates will skyrocket. Some companies might even refuse to cover you.
I had no idea it was this bad.
That's why I'm telling you now, so you can make better choices in the future. Based on your test result, I have to issue you a fine for drunk driving. Your license will also be temporarily suspended.
Please, officer. Can you let me go this time? I promise I won't do it again.
I understand, sir, but the law is the law. If I let you go without consequences, you might do this again.
I really didn't mean to break the rules.
I believe you, but intent doesn't change the outcome. I recommend you arrange for someone to pick you up. You cannot drive any further tonight.
What if I just wait here for a while and then drive home later?
That's not an option. Your alcohol level will take time to drop, and even then, it is not safe to drive. You must get a safe ride home.
Okay, I'll call a friend to pick me up. Officer, I feel really bad about this. I didn't realize how dangerous it was.
That's why we enforce these laws, to keep everyone safe. The best choice is always to have a designated driver or take a taxi if you've been drinking.
I understand now. I will never drink and drive again.
That's the right attitude. Learn from this mistake and always drive responsibly. Your life and the lives of others depend on it.
Thank you for making me realize my mistake, officer.
I'm glad you understand. Drive safely from now on.
I will, officer. I promise.
Take care and always remember, safety first.
I will, thank you, officer. I can't believe I almost made such a huge mistake. I could have hurt someone, or even myself.
Hey, are you okay? What happened?
I got pulled over for drunk driving. The officer explained everything to me. I never realized how serious it was.
I always told you to take a taxi when you drink. I'm glad nothing worse happened.
Yeah, lesson learned. I'll never make this mistake again.
That's good to hear. Let's get you home safely.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation practice and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.